Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video I'm going to give you the introduction of the drawings. Okay, so we have seen the part modeling, we have seen the assembly and advanced assembly features, right? But the next step is the drawing, where you can, it is the like a language, which language of communication between engineers and manufacturers, right? So you have to gain some knowledge in GD&T, drawing, reading, and having some different standards, right? You have to remember the standards as well, how you are dimensioning, how you are giving the tolerances, so that you have to remember. But for this sheet, I will just brief you the introduction of the drawing. Okay, you can call it drafting as well. So if I click it a new, there is a third option, which is the drawing. A 2D engineering drawing, typically of a part or assembly, right? If I go to the drawing, it will ask me what size you want. Okay, sheet size. So let's say I'm gonna click it A4 and landscape, right? You can choose your own format as well. There is no issue, and you can just customize your sheet as well. But I don't want to go with that because I have the standards for that. And I will click it OK. And then whatever parts you have recently opened, like I have recently opened the camshaft final file, right? So it will show in my open documents, where you can directly insert the part into the drawing, right? You can just click the high quality, because I want high quality in my sheet rather than the draft quality, because I have to print very nicely. That's why. And this is the thumbnail for the assembly. Okay, whatever you are giving. So in the model view, there are a lot of options are there, where you can just select, and if you go to the next, then it's a reference configuration. I don't have any multiple configuration on this part, that's why it is showing the default. And next one is the orientation, how your orientation will look like. Either it is a front or right or left, whatever it is, right? It depends on the your angle, first angle or third angle, right? So that you can select trimetric views, diametric views, that you can select, and also preview will be there. If you click on the preview, then yes, let's put this. Okay, so this is the my views. Wherever you drag your drawing, okay, it will create a drawing like that. Now, as you can see, my model is having very small scale, right? Which I cannot see very easily. So what you can do, you can just click on this, and whatever you want, like a 3D model, something like that, and without edges you want, or cut edges, or just okay, lines. So that's how you can give your representation of in the display style, where I want to give the cut lines as well, because it is mandatory in the drawing, where you can see the holes and hidden features, right? So here you can select your customized scale, right? So I want to make it bigger, something bigger. Okay, that's fine. And cosmetic thread display, okay, high quality, everything will be high. This is the dimension type, projector or true. Okay, I want to make it true, and yes, that's how you can create. Also you can give something from this mirror and import features. Okay, if you have the extra annotation like a design or dim expert you have used, then you can import your annotations in the drawing directly, right? There is no need of creating another annotation in this drawing. So that's how you can just import the part and see how your drawing will be look like, right? So for I suggest, whatever part you are making, just make the drawing of it and give the dimension whatever you are thinking, minimal dimension. Okay, and then take that part, take the drawing and make the part from that. If you make the part from that, and you will recognize that your dimension, this dimension is missing or this dimension is perfect, right? So that's how you can practice by yourself for the 3D modeling and drawing correlation, right? So that's how beginner works. I have worked on more than 100 exercise for that when I was a beginner in my 12th standard. So that's how you can practice very well to get the expertise in that. And yes, in the next video we will explore together the most advanced feature of drafting, it will be fun, totally fun, because it is more related to the industries, right? They don't know the 3D language, they just know what drawing says. It is the Bible for them, right? So that's how you can start your, if you are beginner, you can start like that. And if you are already known to these things, then we will explore more together. Till then, keep watching, keep sharing, keep loving. Thank you so much.